Welcome to our podcast, presented by Dr. Ge, lawyer Tanipon, and lawyer Ratasad, barrister at law. Today we are going to talk about the law definitions in Copyright Act, which differ from the definition we normally understand in various types of copyright works. Before we start, it is absolutely acknowledged that every type of works has author or someone who made the copyright work, which authors in Copyright Act means a person who makes or creates any work which is a copyright work by virtue of this act. And copyright means the exclusive right to do any act according to the copyright law with respect to the work created by the author. And now we begin to define the type of works in the Copyright Act. The first work is literary work, which means any kind of literary work such as books, pamphlets, writings, printed matters, lectures, sermons, addresses, speeches, including computer programs. But computer program also has a definite meanings, which means instructions, set of instructions, or anything which are used with a computer so as to make the computer work, or to generate a result no matter what the computer language is, maybe Java or CRC or any kind of computer languages. The second one is dramatic work, means a work with respect to choreography, dancing, acting, or performance in dramatic arrangement, including a pantomime. The third works have a subcategories, but I will describe its basis for the audience to understand the other works. The third one is artistic work, means a work of any one or more of the foreign characters. The law using the word characters, which define the scope of the work of art. The first subhead is work of painting and drawing, which means a creation of configuration consisting of lines, lights, colors, or any other things, or the composition thereof upon one or more materials. The second subheading, work of sculpture, which means a creation of configuration with tangible volume. The third subheading, work of lithography, which means a creation of picture by printing process and includes a printing block or plate used in the printing. Maybe you printed a graphic in the shirt. The fourth subhead is work of architecture, which means a design of building or construction, a design of interior or exterior decoration, as well as a landscape design or creation of a model of building or construction. This fourth subhead was provided for the copyright of architecture. Fifth subhead is photographic work, which means a creation of picture with the use of image recording apparatus, which allows the light to pass through a lens to a film or glass and develop with liquid, chemical, or specific formula, or with any process that creates a picture or an image recording with any other apparatus or method. Sixth subhead is work of illustration, such as map, structure, sketch, or three-dimensional work with respect to geography, topography, or science. Seventh subhead is work of applied art, which means a work which takes each or a composition of the works mentioned in the first subhead to sixth subhead for using in utility apart from the appreciation in the merit of the work, such as for practical use of such work, decorating materials or appliances, or using for commercial benefit, provided that whether or not the work in the subhead 1 to the subhead 7 has an artistic merit, and it shall include photographs and plans of such work. Before I leave, I will continue to tell you about the remaining 7 work of copyright in the next video.